I mean, yeah, I think about at times we knock the financial accounting standards of companies overseas. Does the same thing happen with the data? That is, you go over to India, you go over to China, and you do these trials with patients over there. Does it count towards meeting requirements for the FDA, or it really has to be done on our soil these days?
It counts. We go through a lot of different design requirements, and then, as you were saying with the CROs, and I am by no means a doctor or MD in the space or a statistician. I'm a software guy. But when we participate in designing the collection of this data, there's an army of people going out to monitor the sites to ensure that the quality and the upkeep and that the sites actually meet the requirements, whether it's here or China or India or anywhere else in the world.
Okay.
And if things are flagged, those are raised as issues, and those issues are escalated up through the chains until they're resolved. So
okay.
Ultimately, the data that goes to any regulatory agency is very clean and very good data.
Okay, but it may be from overseas. Our government would have boots on the ground overseas to help oversee that trial,
Not
or potentially
our government,
the pharma company.
The pharma company and the CRO.
Okay, okay.
And as Mike was saying, the global footprint of the CRO is beneficial. There's only so many folks in the United States that participate in clinical trials, and finding qualified patients that meet the criteria to go into your particular study is the most challenging part of running a clinical trial. So the bigger net that you can cast, whether it's in South America or China, Australia, Africa, Europe, the better. And some of those emerging markets are where we're seeing a lot more of these activities conducted.
Okay.